This is to let everybody know I bought 2 of these locks on Amazon. Onnais. It's got, supposedly has 2 keypads, key bobs they call them. One for my wife, one for myself. Well, it only came with one, so I had to type in the code every time I came home, and she had the button to unlock it automatically so she can get it into the RV. Either way, the money I spent on these, they're pieces of shit. Both of them are going in the garbage because Amazon wouldn't return them. They said, well, that's what you get when you buy Chinese crap. Well, they sold the Chinese crap, so they're responsible for selling me the crap. And I'm just warning everybody, these locks ain't worth a shit. This one I took out because I'm tired of using that lock, which always works, and this lock, which always works. Buy a key. This electronic bullshit ain't worth a crap. Ain't worth a shit. You can see where it scrapes against the strike plate, and it's aligned perfect, but for some reason, I guess when it heats up, it swells up and it scrapes. So it's always a bitch to open my door. But the old-fashioned locks, they actually work. I don't have any issues unlocking my RV, and I don't have to break into my RV and get arrested because the fucking lock don't work. Do not buy an Onnais lock. Call them, and they want a dozen proof. I said, well, Amazon locked my account, but I bought them through Amazon under my email address. Call Amazon and just ask them on the phone on that account number. Since they locked me out, I don't use Amazon anymore. I use eBay. Don't have problems with eBay, but Amazon, there's always a fucking issue. This is what happens in America. The rich keep getting richer because they keep fucking stealing from the poor people like myself. And I'm done dealing with this bullshit. Now I buy most of my shit, and I'll post it on this link, through Russia. It's Russia's version of Walmart. They have the same materials, and it costs 80% less than what the American thievery companies charge the Americans. And the Americans are just too fucking stupid to pay. Just like my food bill, $649 a week in Arizona. I shop on Russia.com on St. Petersburg website, and I get my $629 food bill roughly for $29 to $49 US. So I'm saving myself $600 a week by shopping the Russian version of Amazon supermarket. Walmart, Amazon, same difference. They're both out fucking each other over, like Walmart with Capital One Bank fucking suing them, and everything's bullshit in America. They're like little fucking children with a fucking fight in the playground. I'm embarrassed to call myself an American the way this fucking country acts and runs, and fucking stealing from the poor. And then like Mark Zuckerberg buys a Hawaiian island area and throws all the villagers that have been there for 4,000 years, throws them out because he owns it now, and they lost their whole ancestry of that island where they were raised. This is what the rich do. They don't give a fuck about the poor, and they'll just as much kill you before they help you.